In the last video we have made this rotation of these speakers, and then we have finished the camera animation and the title animations. So let's focus. In this video we'll focus creating this mic animation, this mic pop, and then this metal thing reveal, and then let's analyze what more we can do to finish the work. Let's go back to After Effects, and let's go into group 4 in the aux channel 1, and then let's create a keyframe on the x-axis of this channel. So create a keyframe and select the layer, press U to reveal the keyframe. As you can see, there is this keyframe. As you can see, this is channel 1 in position X. So let's move this keyframe a little bit further, just like this, and then let's try moving this like this. So let's play this animation. Okay, so let's try moving this to the right. Let's play the animation. So we have created a keyframes on rotation X and Y on the channel 2, but we haven't created a keyframes on this one. So let's try copying this keyframe and pasting it to this. Just create 2 keyframes, press U and select this keyframe and paste. I think let's copy one by one and paste. So let's play this part. So this is what we got. Let's try moving this animation engine to the right, and let's try moving this X to the right, and then let's open scene setup. We have to animate this one also. So let's go to scene setup, and then we haven't separated this one, so let's open it. I think this is this one. Let's turn this off. Let's duplicate this and then call this speaker bottom, and then let's assign a auxiliary. So this one is channel 1, so this one is channel 2. So let's go and add it to channel 3. Let's click OK. Let's open it again. I think we haven't selected this yet. So we have to select this, and then so this one is on channel 2, which we have animated, and this is on channel 1, which have already animated, and this should be on channel 3, which you should animate now. So we just have to copy some of these values. So let's go to this keyframe by clicking K, and then go to channel 3, create a keyframes on rotation X and Y, and let's press U, and then let's try copying these keyframes and pasting it just like this. So let's play this part. For some reason this isn't showing up, so let's go check it. So it has turned off. Let's turn it on. let's click OK. Let's play this part. So I think this is working now. Let's create a group null on group 4. So by clicking create, and then let's click this null and then press R. So as you can see, this animates this one. So we need a slight animation using this one. So let's create X and Y and Z, then let's move it further away. And then let's create let's move this slightly so that it looks like it has some movement. So that's the idea. So just like this. Let's play this. So then let's click camera, press U. I think we can animate this camera also a little bit, just like this. Maybe something like this. I think this looks alright. I think before doing anything, let's click element and then let's go into group 3 of the socks channel 3 of this group, and then let's create the let's copy this X values of this channel 1 to this one. Just press Ctrl C and then press K to go to this keyframe, and then let's create a keyframe on X. Press U again, and then let's paste it here. So and then let's move it slightly to the right so it can look like it is attaching one by one. I think this is visible on the camera, so let's go and fix this one by moving this one further away, just like this. So and then just copy it and then paste, select both of this and paste. I think let's select all of these rotation keyframes and move it just like this, and then select this force null, which is our animation engine's opacity value. So let's move it closer to this one and let's play. As you can see, this is the sudden animation, which is what we want. Let's play it fully. I think there is group is disabled. Let's find that. I think this is group 3 and group 1 will be our stage. I think where is it? It is on group 5, I guess. Let's select this one also. Let's play it. So let's move these keyframes further to the front. So let's start working on this front part. So let's disable some of these groups, so we don't want to see everything all at once. I think group 3 is this metal thing. So let's see. So this is the title is, so the easier way of checking which one is the title is that we can go into animation engine. Let's see, it is group 1 and 2. So group 1 and 2 are the title. So if you don't want to see this, just disable group 2. So we can also disable group 1 also. So we have finished this part, and then it goes and then it creates that metal thing first, and then the titles will appear. I think first the mics will appear. Both of these mics, let me show you. So both of these mics will appear first. So after this rotation has happened, and then the mics will appear, and then the metal part start appearing on the title, and the headphone, the piano will come from the top. So that's the whole animation. So we should concentrate on this mic and then the metal thing. So that's it. So let's open and let's go to scene setup. So as you can see, it is on group 5. So let's open it, and then so it is on channel 4 and it is on channel 3. So we should work on channel 3 and channel 4 of group 5. So let's open group 5, let's enable it, and then after this thing appeared, let's open scene setup once again. This piano and stuffs are on group channel 2. So this all can be controlled by channel 2. Let's just go to aux channel of group 5, and then we are on channel 2. Let's go to y axis. So we can do this on like this. Let's go, and then let's go to 2 seconds, something like this, and then create a keyframe by clicking this icon. Just press U, and then let's give the value of 0. This is the final location of these elements. Then go to previous keyframe, and then just move it so that we don't see. So let's highlight both of this, and then let's select both of this, and then just move it straight to the right. So this is the part it finally finished rotating. Press B, and then go to something like a 10 frame or 12 frame. Press N, and then let's open channel 3, open X axis. So as you can see, this is the mic 1. So create a keyframe and open channel 4 and create a keyframe on X also. Press U. Let's close all of this by clicking Shift and Alt. So as you can see, this is hiding everything which you don't want at current time. So let's focus only on this one, and then let's close this element. So let's go to the final keyframe and create keyframes here. Let's go to previous keyframes and then move this to right, and then move this to left. So let's play this. So this is our animation. Let's go to previous keyframe and then select both of this and move it to the right slightly, and then let's copy this, Control C and Control V, and Control C and Control V. So this is on right, it moves something like this. Let's select both of these and then move it to the right. So as you can see, this is our animation. So after this the metal thing will form, so that should be on group 3. Just enable it and then just create group and null. Let's call this metal thing, maybe text folder, then press yes and just disable this icon. This is the constraint proportions icon. Just disable this so that you can control like this. Let's click create a keyframe, then go to further something like this, and then press and click 0, and then let's go to element and then go to particle look and then create a keyframe on force opacity. Let's press U. This is the group 3 opacity. Go to one frame before and then by clicking page down and then click 0. So this is what we got. So we can try matching this timing. So maybe let's close everything which we don't want by holding Shift and Alt. Okay. We select both of this and then move it slightly to the right, just like this. This is the moment it touches. Let's select both of this and then at this moment the title should appear. Let's select this animation engine and then just try to move it. Press U again, select this and then select this. I think we have disabled these groups, so that was the problem. So this is working. Just this now, this is just a matter of the timing and spacing. So I'm just trying to find a these guitar things needs to be on further away. So let's find this. I think this is this one. Go to this keyframe and then let's try moving it further so that we don't see at the start of the video. So it is shown here. So let's try moving it further, something like this. And then let's delete this. Let's play. So this is the perfect moment where we can bring those elements. Something like this. So the transition is hidden. Let's see.